ting' manotimore apaya mechiny boma ma Kisumu. Nyasi ma kamano tele gi sirikal kaunti kanyakla kod kambi moro mar uso geche boma Kisumu egeno ni en gino manyalo lombo wang' kendo ywayo welo. Tend kaunti ma Kisumu oyango ni gibiro medo kelo tuke e lago mondo bed kaka okenge mag medo welo malimo boma ma Kisumu. Jaloch ne en Jin Lu mowuok e piny China.
Today we are excited to be here at Kisumu Central Square to introduce the first ever Kisumu City Drift Show, a partnership between the City of Kisumu, the Department of Trade and Tourism, and Al Hussein Motors. When we were discussing introducing this for the first time, there was a lot of uncertainty because, you know, when you're venturing into something that has not been there, it's not easy to convince people. But if you look around, having seen the excitement on the faces of our people, you can all ascertain to the fact that the people have embraced it, and we look forward to enhancing this partnership, bringing more partners on board so that we make it an annual festival here in Kisumu. It's a new tourism product. During the tourism week, we introduced another product, tree therapy, somewhere in Semen.
People are also very happy when see I'm drifting around those